Hey everyone, is any iPhone stuck with the cloud activation lock links or locked to owners? How to fix it at your home without doing a jailbreak with the help of PC or laptops? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations. This device I came to my shop yesterday at the morning times, but right now I'm trying to fix it, and it's a shame that activation locks that prevent anyone who is not the owner from using this device. So if any iPhones that is asking enter the applied in password that's for used to set up this device on any particular and it's locked to owner cloud activation lock links, then simply we will go for an administration iTunes and we will try to check it out DNS configuration from the cloud database and Apple database that what's the reason behind this. Sometimes it can be due to previous owner who erased everything and stack these cloud activations. Sometimes, maybe especially, you have attempted multiple times, screen wrong passcode, and due to that, it has stacked on this cloud activation, asking enter the polite password that's were used to set up this device, or sometimes maybe reported blacklisted. So everything will be fluctuated here. Sorry, I mean, yes, everything will be notified on this iTunes here on a headlines that right now. What's the reason here? Here is a activation log. So let's fix it. Either it is locked with a screen time passcode, face ID, touch ID is not being recognized, or sometimes maybe reported blacklist stolen mode, lost mode. In each situation, I have already mentioned to you here. Just use a step by step. There's all execution, and you will be able to get rid of it. First and foremost, we will read this one. So why we will go for edit? Yes, it will fetch the include the betas and specifications if you announce, and here this one, the system, this iPhones would be rebooted 2 to 3 times and then the further. See here after fetching all the API announce, we will go for the let's API announcements, all the data, whatever that is, especially in the cloud database and Apple database, would be especially yes fines we would be here guys. Now see successfully got API announced guys. So how easily it has is occupied or acquired especially all the data from the cloud database on the physical form of this device, and then yes, we will check it out whatever the data that we will try to delete step by step, and then see don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be the crucial. Now succeed fines we will go for here got it, and now it's a time to the open a special I mean 3U tool guys here, and now that we can go the inside once again and check it out that yes, so that it will be configured once again in the cloud database and Apple database. This came at my shop. I have already mentioned to you, especially I'm the study at morning times, but right now I'm trying to fix it. So this will be live demonstration, guys. Each second will be auditable and in front of you without touching on this device. Of course, I will demonstrate you how you easily get rid of it and go in the inside towards and written your polite and password. So still it is linked. So just we will come the crash analysis, and we can see here we can go the inside of this, and these all files that are accumulated. Yes, we will delete. So 4 files have been successfully deleted guys, and if you refresh there is no files. Now one more thing, just we will close and we will come on here real-time logs. Why we will do refresh here, all the Safari history would be clear, so that previous browsed if anyone's who logged with this particular ID, then maybe especially that everything would be clear, so no chances to other retain any data, no chances to other retain any data. That of course would be now yeah clear files. Now we will come now especially another tool that is a last yes imagine PC. Here all the retaining data or redundant files from the cloud database of course we will clear. So let me cut and we will come on here. This phone has been detected here. Yes, we will come on here and see refresh it, and of course it is notifying this area has been special I mean maybe a link, so don't worry. Yes, we will come on here, and now let me keep it this one here. Now keep clearing guys, keep clearing still it's not going at least 20 times. If you clear, and then all the yes cloud retaining data from the previous ones would be clear. Now of course we will come in here. Now see, it has, one time it has started to especially declare, so no need to yes, 20 times. See, automatically it has a clear. So what we will do, guys, white screen is coming so that we can close. There was no retaining, so maybe the previous owner who erased everything, so that's why happened. So no problem at all. Just we the come on a hello screen. So once again we will come in here, clear we will clear, and then we have one option, that is REC mode. Hit this one and go for here, push this device into the recovery, and then of course we will come in here on a smart flash options. In a smart flash options, check it out that what iOS is recommending. Here is a ES392 iOS is recommending here. So either we can download or import, so directly, no problem at all. Yes, directly download or imports. But we prefer to especially, download, guys. Here, when you come on a smart flash and refresh, then some data will be. So here we had already downloaded. I kept on desktop. So similar versions, these ones. Directly you can download. After downloading, guys, we will come on a say here to firmware to just we will open this, and we will go on a especially to keep this on a desktop. And after coming on the desktop, so what we will do, guys, here just simply we will have to hold the shift key of your computer, and we will click on especially these options. Once again I repeat, guys, we will click hold the shift key of your computer. So sorry, just let me come on here and hold the shift key, guys, and after holding, then we will come the restore the device, and we'll come to desktop and selection these ones, and we'll go for the restoration. So now it has just started to extract all the software, and then the further we will see what's going to happen. So guys, everything is going to happen now. Just we will exit from special 3U tool from here, and now everything is quickly functional and smoothly it's working. So we will see live step by step any kinds of the error comes, and then of course we will go for, because maybe the previous owners lunch and who erase everything, so that's why especially automatically it has started to especially get on their recovery mode, and within a one time, so especially cloud retaining data when I was clearing. So now it's extracting files, and the further we will see. I hope so that it is very clear now, so that we can see here. Yes, it's now the preparing for the restorations files. We will wait here. Now that we can see, yes, it's exiting the from that the recovery, and then the further we will see. Step by step do it. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial. And one thing more, while I especially doing these things, your device can be restarted multiple times. So please don't unplug the device. Don't disconnect the device till it's not notifying the any error on especially your iTunes. And this is Jailbreak method. Of course, if the automatically especially if got a reactive mode while the clearing especially console, then go with the especially iTunes, no problem at all, because this gives you more accuracy on a hair. Why is it? Because there is no retaining data. Maybe the previous owner who erased, or you have to purchase a second-hand device, and due to that, especially due to erasing of the previous owners, especially by the previous owners, it happens like that. So no problem at all. Just to go with the similar. Now that it has started to restore the software, and this software can be also downloaded. This firmware can be downloaded from the various website on itself, especially Apple is available. And for your kind of information, guys, they can be especially, of course, downloaded from ipsw.vita.com. It can be also ipsw.me.com, ipsw.com, and on a 3U tool also it can be downloaded, guys, no problem at all. And once again, I repeat that while the flashing this device, this can be rebooted, guys, multiple times. So please don't unplug the device. This device, while doing these things, restoring the software, it can be restarted multiple times. So I hope that especially there should be no error, but if any error comes, then suddenly we will troubleshoot. So now should we can see, look at on this. Yes, it has started to, yes, come with the especially that's firmware, and if there is no retaining data, yes, from the cloud database, that's why it has started to come with this from uh, firmware. So now that we will see any kinds of the error comes, and then of course we will troubleshoot our fads. Almost we had especially restore, especially maybe especially 30 percentage, and it's restoring. So very easy and they smoothly the functions, but do a little bit of difference because of there was no, yes, retaining any redundant any in the cloud data files, and that's why immediately it has taken a DFU mode. So we will see the live now. What's going to be a further. Yes, maybe especially network carrier lock and etc. If anything is going to be a have, and then that's also we will try to fix it. Don't worry. Now see, it's verifying the software, so no problem at all. We will see here what's going to happen further. And any kinds of the query, the confusion you will have, so then of course blindly drop the query in the comments box. The pleasure would be mine to the reply your query, guys. And of course, anyone who is having this kind of the challenges, then after fixing, don't forget to especially drop the feedback in the comment box, and also share this content. Anyone who is, yes, unprivileged, under the privileged, or yes, questing this kind of especially the information on channels, and then so they can access, especially guys. Now the almost 50% is we have completed, guys. How did I know? Yes, we can know the from here, guys. See, more than 50% we have done. We will have to wait especially 11 minutes, 12 minutes we spent, so 10 minutes this can be extracted. This execution can be also especially rendered by the Trio tool. So many videos uploaded by that strategy also, but this can be done so by also. And man button is that here a specific key is shift, holding the shift key, and then we can go forward. No problem at all. So almost we have done maybe especially see 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorials. And while we executions, there is some precautions, a specific time, how do you execute that yes, please watch that till the end of this tutorial so that you will be able to veteran or the facts for execution all their status to fix all the related of the iOS. Yes, if your iPhone is stuck on the cloud activation, lock to owners, and time screen passcode ID device, mobile management locks, screen passcode, face ID, touch ID, not recognized, network, everything would be fixed. Yes, and that I will show you step by steps. But check it out firstly, the hardware of any facial, iPhones that is in a good condition, that should be in a good condition, then go for executions. Otherwise it will stack on an Apple logo and it will be freeze like that. So we will have to manually defreeze of this especially phone, and then we will have to go for similar strategy. So almost especially now we can see 80% we have completed, more remaining, that is yes 2 to 5%, 5 or 10% within that. This will be done very. And this is a totally live screen recorded, and this directly would be especially uploaded on this channel. So related to iOS, MacBooks, laptops, PCs, or operating system installations, and Gmail, passwords, recovery guides, all the issues that would be especially given by this channel. So don't forget to join this channel. Yes, and the further maybe it's very important. Now, yeah, 2-3 precautions that we would like to tell you. Where use this execution or procedure, there shouldn't be any movement, because suppose especially a little bit, if there is a movement, and then maybe chances to raise to disconnect of your PC from the special device, or sometimes these data cables should be a good quality. Otherwise, now see, we have done so that we can close these items, no problem at all. Now it's the time to open especially this Trio tool, guys, once again, and we need some executions. So watch carefully. step by step. Now we will do here what's guys, select here the close iTunes, and we will come on here and we will click on this batch activations. When it will be highlighted, immediately we will have to go for batch activation. Now device has been connected, fine, so we will come on here and go for executions both. So it has started to initiate there, and there also execution activating and the skipping setup. This is very crucial. Here any error comes, then immediately we will change the internet connection of PC particular, and then we will go for executing this one. So yes, 80% is that will be no chances to have the error, but 20% there may be chance that have errors, and then go for execution by changing internet connections, and this will be a fix, and the 1% is the rarest of rare case, guys. However, errors are coming. Suppose activating part is succeed, a skipping part is error. Sometimes just opposite, a skipping part succeed and the activating part will be errors. And then that conditions will customize the precise location of your PC according to the sales area of device. Suppose this phone belongs to Hong Kong, so we will have to apply the precise location of the Hong Kong on this PC and then go for execution. Quite less. Surely this would be especially the fix, guys. So these issue that they're having the challenges on the particular some of the phones. So yes, while the customer are coming especially and for fixation of this related to the screen passcode, sometimes maybe as network carrier, sometimes especially show. Now we are waiting for that, see how much time it's going to take. No problem at all, we will wait here. Now see, it is still taking a little bit times, no problem at all. We'll wait and see. Now successfully done, guys, here both, so no chances. Just we will close and deselect this iTunes, guys, and then we will go for select all. Now we will try to unbind Apple ID. Yes, either it is from device and from see. Now it came on a namaste and etc. Yes, see on a hello screen. So just it will be highlighted in a 10 second. And now what we will do, guys, here simply we will come here to open iTunes, and we will go the inside of this ones. Let's access the data, and we can see we will back a little bit, and of course we will select the zone here. Now it's trying to access the data, finds no problem at all. Just we will select the language settings, and now see it has welcomed, guys. What do you say? This iPhone has completely unlocked. So now we can go the inside of this, no problem at all. Now see here, connect to the internet to us and into your device. Means there is no internet connection on it. However, it has been completely unlocked. And now that we can see, we can go on our Face ID, Touch ID. Everything is facial identity will be clicked, then this will be started. So means this lock is also completely fully functional now. Network areas for this kind of the especially if it is happening, so then what we will do, guys, here just simply we will come the virtual locations to restore the true location. Here this one. So and now insert the SIM card. So with rebooting the SIM card, local networks will be restored with that special device, and everything will quietly functional. This is not a jailbreak, this is a permanent solution, guys. So if the permanent solution is after rebooting, why I'm telling so, because this will not stack on a cloud activation locally. So once again it will be gone, and directly we will come on a hello screen. No, directly on home screen. See, now gone everything quickly functions. So this is all about, guys, in this video tutorial. Further main inquiry, of course, have the query below the comment box. A pleasure would be managed to reply your query, guys. And this is all about in this video tutorials. Thank you very much in that. For the main inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Hi, this is Technology Bell Friend. We'll be back with a step by step with new tutorials. So don't forget to join these channels and also share this content who is any. Yes, under the privilege and requesting this kind of information that they can access. Thank you very much indeed.